Alright, in this video we are going to analyze basic rational functions. Okay, rational functions are ones that have a polynomial in the numerator and a polynomial in the denominator. Okay, so now if we were to compare, let's see. Let's say that m equals the degree of the numerator, okay? And n equals the degree of the denominator. Okay. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to compare. So if m is less than n, that means the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. So, I mean, it could be a function that looks something like this. Y equals x plus 2 over x squared minus 1. All right? You notice degree of the numerator is 1. Degree of the denominator is 2. Okay? Because it's always the biggest exponent. And so what that means is we will have a horizontal asymptote at the line y equals 0. In other words, your x-axis. So your x-axis would be a horizontal asymptote if the degree of the numerator is smaller than the degree of the denominator. Well, what if the degree of the numerator is larger than the degree of the denominator? Well, that would mean no horizontal asymptote. So if this were the reciprocal of this, no horizontal asymptote. All right. Now, this book does not get into oblique asymptotes or anything because that's generally saved for pre-calculus. And since this is an Algebra 2 course that I'm teaching, we are not going to get into that. All right. Now, what if the degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator? Okay. So that's something like this. All right. We're going to use variables here. So y equals ax plus c over bx plus d. See, our x's have the same degree. They're both to the first power, okay? Or they would both be to the second power. Same degree. Then your horizontal asymptote is going to be the coefficients in front of your leading coefficients. So, in other words, the coefficient in front of the letter with the biggest exponent, which would be a, and then b for the denominator. So it would be the line. You would have a horizontal asymptote and it would be the line y equals a over b. So, for example, if this were the equation y equals 3x minus 5 over 2x plus 8, then it would be the line y equals 3/2. That would be the horizontal asymptote for that. Okay? All right, so these are the types of functions that we're going to be looking at in this section, Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. In some of the future videos, you are going to see some graphing of these problems.